Maybe we get path from Trinu. Racing track.
Yeah. Plastic ones.
What do you call that one?
This is better. The one you can't win, that is the better one.
Actually.
You know, you give $100 if you complete it. That's like that, you know. And then you pay more as well.
Oh!
See, he's doing well.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Actually, no.
Even he doesn't know that he's going. Racing track. Anik, what do you call this one?
Track?
Racing track or normal?
No, just like
Girega.
just say RC car track.
Oh!
Finish, Daya.
Career over.
You lost your career, mate. Oh!
This